Hello and welcome to this video of Metabase. At the time of recording this course video, Metabase had a little different look and feel. But with the new big version release, that is version 42, comes the new features. In this video, we will talk about those new features. First of all, setup flow is made easy in this release. At the very beginning of the Metabase setup page, you can see new database options are added. Once you logged in, the home page is showing some new tabs on the top right side. In the older version, it was Ask a Question tab, where it navigates to the page, containing simple, custom, and native query question types. You can now just click on plus new to create a question using the query builder, a SQL query, a dashboard, or a collection. The simple question type option is not available. Now you can filter and summarize using the custom notebook editor. Collection is now having redesigned view to make it easier for people to find your most important questions, dashboards, and models. We covered collections thoroughly in dashboards in Metabase video. On custom expressions editor, now suggestions are more useful, easier to navigate, and up to 20x faster to appear. Dashboard subscriptions and alerts are redesigned. Last video of this course, that is dashboard in Metabase, covers all the new dashboard features available in Metabase version 0.42. Added new visualizations to email and Slack, like multi-series charts, waterfall, progress, combo charts. Also improved the email formatting. Fully redesigned permissions page to make it easy to manage permissions in Metabases with lots of people and groups. For more details you can check www.metabase.com/blog/metabase-0.42. Thank you for watching.